Denver. I'm tired. I need coffee. I need food. But we're gonna go racing. Kind of sucks because we came to like the highest track in the country to come test Dylan's car. When I got a good track, I run a good number. So kind of, as much as I want to go real fast, I don't think it's possible here. But we'll try.
What's up? I heard a lot.
Huh? No.
Checked in a bag for him?
Yeah, I was.
You were like, ¿qué dicen?
English.
Oh, my bad. Trying to make a car fly or what?
Well, the problem is that Denver altitude's so high.
Yeah.
It's hard.
It takes like 20-30% more power. It has the extra 20-30% more power, but the conditions are good. We'll see.
Trying to make this thing fly, huh? That's cool. What's up, Johnny? How you doing, man?
He's about ready.
He's ready. He's ready.
I'll get this guy. Get my safety goods ready.
That's fine. So the gentleman's cool enough to prep the track how we asked. It's loose right now. He's gonna make a hit on low power. Just kind of get the feel for it, right? I mean, he's never driven it, so we want him to get a little comfortable with the vehicle, and then we'll go from there. But it's a little windy. We got headwind, tailwind, all the winds. But it's cool. It's cool to be home. If many of you guys know, I am from Denver, so it's fucking dope to be back. I used to come here when I was 12, 13 years old and sit in those stands and watch people race. And here I am now. I was in TC the whole time. Where's my laptop?
Nice. Yeah, my fastest trap in the McLaren is 150.
Okay, so we're about right. Once you're ready, if you want to send it back out on the next power up.
Yeah.
Yeah, shit's good. I mean, the data log looks good.
Let's do it.
Photos. I'm running out of breath here. We're like so high up. Feels like I have no oxygen. I don't know how you Colorado people deal with it, but respect.
So I had a cylinder, that injector clip wasn't fully plugged in, so we were chasing the tail. I was chasing cylinder 10, but cylinder 10 was really cylinder 6. But it's good, so we're gonna turn it up and make a hit.
Yeah, it had a lot more in it though. I let off at the end.
Did you see what it went?
Oh yeah.
175.
175?
Yeah.
I looked down, I was at 185 when I let off.
Yeah, you're good. 178?
178?
Yeah.
Felt faster than that.
It's alright. You get a nice one?
It felt good. Yeah. A little squirrely on the brakes, but.
Oh, dude, that's crazy, bro.
When I brake, the thing, it is not, it's like literally not stopping. Like,
You're just gliding?
I'm like,
You got both feet on that one.
I'm like pumping the brakes and literally it's not stopping.
Like, stop.
Yeah.
We're supposed to stop.
Keeps going.
Oh, dude, this thing is sick, man. I think I'm impressed.
Keep your hand on the
I
amp.
mean, being like what, the fastest Viper out here.
What's that?
Being like the fastest street car out here.
Yeah, no, this thing's sick, dude. It's definitely interesting because you see a lot of the UR stuff, right?
Yeah.
And you don't see many of these rolling around, so it's super cool to see the data and the stuff that they do on it, for sure.
It felt like 180. 185?
Like actually experiencing moments like these. You always see these moments and stuff on 1320 or all these other like racing channels and stuff, but when you actually see these things in person, it's like a whole nother level. It's like a whole nother experience.
It's a 7, buddy.
That's a 7?
At the end of the day, if Dylan's happy, we're happy. It's his first time launching the car. Clearly that's why we're here. We're dialing in the car. But launching it's a little hard.
858 180.
858 180.
Yeah.
Yo, 85 at 180. That's fucking moving. Fucking moving.
End of the hey, we ran 180 from a dig. I'm happy. We're gonna get this thing fixed up and we're gonna run 7s. Well, no, 3 maybe.
If you want to,
Just for a flex.
2. Whatever you want, I'll do it. Good fuck. So, I'm glad you enjoyed, bud. You happy?
I'm happy.
If you're happy, I'm happy. Good.
If something breaks, I don't even care. As long as we hit the numbers that I want.
It'd be different if we broke like at 150. It's like, damn, that sucks, right? But like,
That is, from what I know, that is the fastest Colorado car.
It is.
Street car that's ever gone down this track.
my phone's blowing up right now, so someone's turn. Hey. Teamwork. Hey, you funded, I built it.
You like casinos, bro? I like it.
3, 2, 1.
You got draft? Anybody got drafted?
Successful work now.
Yeah.
First and foremost, shout out to my guys. I know we don't really share our team, but AB, Reyes, did that. Literally loaded up the car, drove straight here, went straight to the track, troubleshooted the car. And then, had a couple difficulties. I had just normal shit. A little wiring thing I had fixed. And then Dylan, applaud to him, man. Tell him exactly what to do. The thing on our jobs of like crew chiefing cars and managing is you can make the power and get him down the track, but it's the driver listening and doing what you tell him to. Executing the phenomenal. I mean, personally, I would not jump in a 2,000 horsepower car and drive it the way he did it. Right, but anyways, so yeah, successful we went. Good rolls. 176, 178, 185.
How old are you?
And then we got into drag racing, and then we went 85 at 180 from a dig. Very impressive from what the locals tell us for a car at this altitude. We're a mile high, so it's very difficult. But apparently it is the fastest street car. Which ran a trap there, 186. Below him was, I think they said like 171. Don't hold me to it. But all the locals, thank you for the hospitality, guys. I don't remember all you guys' names, but the guy with the fast black Viper, Ryan, everybody, just great people. Great, and I'm from Colorado. I'm from Denver, so I kind of have this feeling, right? It's like we'll be back. I wasn't friends with those guys back then. I wasn't around. But it's cool to be welcomed. You know, I mean, I've been coming to this restaurant for years. Oh, ¿este es Captain y Coke? ¿Normal no la ponen en el vaso chiquito? Está bien. Para la próxima el vaso. Está bien, no se preocupe. So yeah, successful day. On the last hit, we got a little bit of trans fluid on the car. Cracked the diff cover. So car's coming back home, but with a lot of successful things. Dylan now has a fire in his ass. So we're gonna switch it to a 15-inch conversion in the rear, so we could tackle drag racing too and change some stuff so we can be competitive with the other guys. Going 850 with a lot of air. We'll drop the video here. Literally cutting a lot of just a mile an hour. It will show you that we have the capabilities fixing the airs of going 7s in this conditions at the condition the car's in. So it's on a radio. So put on a 15-inch red on a slick, absorb more, hit more, be good. So this vlog is a wrap for you guys. I try to keep it professional, but the Spanish vlog, I'm about to get started. See you later.